Very often my new executive clients tell me how difficult it is for them to stick to their healthy nutrition when they are invited to business meals. Here are my top 6 techniques I give to them to help them enjoy their meals and social gathering with no guilt or bad feelings. Technique number 1, start drinking water about 20 minutes prior to the meal. Ideally, ask the waiter to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar or some lemon juice into your glass. This will cleanse your gut, help produce enzymes needed for the digestion. Vinegar will lower the carbohydrate absorption, but also blood sugar levels by about 20%. Technique number 2, start with some fibers and greens. Both help to ease the digestion process and act as fillers, reducing your overall calorie intake. Technique number 3, move on to protein sources as meats, fish, eggs, etc. Those are suppliers of amino acids, which are the building blocks for all proteins made in our bodies. Proteins have also a satiating effect and leading to overall low calorie intake. Technique number 4, keep carbs to the end and avoid, if you can, 3 things. First, gluten, which is very pro-inflammatory for the majority of people. Second, too high fructose, which converts easily to fatty acids and increases your body fat, and most importantly, leading to fatty liver and the buildup of pro-inflammatory visceral fat around your organs. Number 3, simple sugars, which spike your insulin too aggressively, leaving you with an energy crash after the spike, asking for more food. Technique number 5, avoid as much as you can mixing high carbohydrate with high fat. We can't run on both fuel sources at the same time, and mixing both is a recipe for gaining body fat at the fastest rate. The body will use some sugars for fuel and store all the rest with the other fats as body fat. Last one, technique number 6, stay active right after your meal. Go for a long walk, climb the stairs, or do 100 push-ups. This will massively reduce your insulin response and blood sugar increase, as the carbs are used to fuel activity rather than being stored as fat. Remember, just because you can't stick to the original nutrition plan, it doesn't mean that you have to miserably fail and drag yourself through negative feelings of guilt, etc. You can still do much better with those 6 techniques. Like this content, subscribe now and hit the bell for instant notification. Thank you for watching.